Hi. This quick video tutorial will show you how to turn on dark theme in Opera GX browser. This will also work for other Opera browser versions as well. Going to my Opera browser. It's totally light or white version. Move to Opera icon. Then Settings. Scroll down and come to Theme. Mine is in light mode. Turn this to dark. This is totally dark now, as you can see. Again, you can turn on light theme when needed, as well as auto mode, which will be based on your Windows version theme. So, this is the way to turn Opera dark. Please be with us and inspire. Goodbye.